Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Doss. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another car repair related video. Today I'm going to be explaining why I've been gone for so long, but don't worry, the uploads are back. More videos are on the way. Just been having trouble uploading. I've also had an injury and just been trying to collect my thoughts and stuff like that. So what we're looking at right here is a box of drum brake shoes is what they call these. These are a different type of brake. Now, most cars only use the disc brakes nowadays, as you know, the regular disc brake. These are a little bit different. These are what I have on the back of my Ranger, and some little compact cars still have these. These are the brake shoes of the homie Jordan's car. These are the brake shoes from the 2017 Sentra that was in that video. And as you can see, these things are pretty much shot right here. This is the metal, and this is the part that's supposed to squeeze up against the drum, which is what you take off to get to these. He called me up. He was like, "Yo, I'm having a nice grinding action going on in the back of my car," and I'm like, yeah, this is probably definitely time for some new brakes. I didn't know they were brake shoes, and we got to look out for each other. The reason why I work on my cars a lot is because I don't have the funds to actually be able to afford it. Plus, when you work on your car and you fix it properly, it's just the accomplishment just feels so good. So it's just like, man, you're just looking at the old part like, wow, I really did that and I saved a ton of money. You're supposed to pull the shoes like apart from the metal bracket that's holding them on. Pull them apart like this, and I guess I was pulling it the wrong way, and my finger, I think it was this finger, my finger hit the dust shield, the type of cut to where if you put it under the faucet, you let it out, your whole hand gets red because it's just so much blood coming out. Didn't really feel anything until the next morning. It was very sore, and I just had to put pressure on it and wrap it up for like 2 or 3 days, and I couldn't bend it all the way back down like this. Well, couldn't bend it like that until maybe like a week. So, you know, it was pretty scary at first because it was leaking all over the driveway. I wanted to keep working because I wanted to make sure his car was fixed properly, but we got the job done. Everything's back on there right. He's going back to work. He's Ubering and stuff like that, and it was a free job, good to go. And that's how you fix your car right there. You know, if I gotta get injured, it is what it is, as long as I don't lose any limbs. This was supposed to be a video, other than the fact that I got injured, so I went ahead and decided to scrap it. I have to find more footage, but you already know, I have to find more content, but you already know this channel is never gonna die off. So boom, these are your drum brakes right here. These are your used drum brakes. A lot of cars don't use these anymore. This is where your parking brake right here would go on to right here. So we took care of that. This is actually one of the easiest drum brakes to fix, but like the ones on the Ranger, on my Ranger, there's all kinds of different, it's way different. It's a way different setup. I think they're a little bit bigger than these two. But as you can see, these were pretty much just shot. I mean, you can still see some pad right here. I don't know why one side has more pad than the other. I'm not sure why that occurs. That's pretty much it for this video. I'm not even going to say I hope you guys enjoyed because this was really nothing. Got the job done. It's nice and safe. His car is all back together, of course, and my finger is pretty much back together as well. So hope you guys stay tuned for more videos. You know, more car related videos, repairs, and all kinds of stuff that happens on this channel, mainly about cars. And that's it.